friend of, never mind. He's the Russian guy.
Russian?
My shoelace keeps on getting untied.
Then tie them.
Yes.
Tie them.
Smart. You're smart.
I'm 12 years old and I still don't know how to swim.
I don't bring. Wait, you're 12?
Yes, I'm
9 years
12.
old and I don't know even how to swim.
Look at our heights. And how old are you?
I'm 14.
At this point, I should have been like somewhere close to you, but no. Look how
I mean, I'm gonna be 15 this year, so.
yeah. I crossed somewhere half your height, but nowhere even close.
What thing that we're with this?
If I'm gonna be honest, you look like you're 8.
Yeah, everyone keeps on saying that. They either say I'm 8 or I'm 9 or whatever.
Say I'm 6 or 5.
Okay.